This is a portable mini chainsaw, very lightweight. Today I'm going to unbox a portable mini chainsaw. This is a perfect Christmas or holiday gift for those who are into gardening and those who are into carpentry and DIY. So this is portable, and then it has lithium battery that lasts long, so you can use it for a long time, and then once you're done you can just charge it. A second. So this is saker or sacker. Quality. There you go. So this is perfect when you have around this time of the year. There are it's perfect to prune the plants when they are sort of sleeping. They start about to sleep, about to be dormant. And then also it's easier because then they have no leaves anymore. When they have leaves, when you prune them, it's too bulky. You need space, more space in the trash bin. So this is it. Look, it's very lightweight, portable. Can be used in carpentry, and if you want to make your own raised garden bed, you can use this. Or also any DIY projects, if you would like to make a trellis, you can use this too. Or for pruning, so for gardening and for carpentry. So this is a perfect Christmas gift or holiday gift. There are two chargers, this, so, and then this. So when you are using this, you can charge this, and when you're when this runs out of battery, you can use the other one if you need. And this is the charger, and you have this, and there is penetrating oil here too that comes with the package. And this one, I'm not sure what this one is for. Oh, more of a tool, an add-on tool, and a screwdriver. And this one, I don't know what this is called, but this is to for screwing and unscrewing. I don't know if not said very well. So this is a portable chainsaw. Let's charge this one first. It's very easy to pull the batteries, and the batteries are long lasting, so you can use this. You can just bring this in the garden. Let's use this outside. Let's try it outside. Apparently outside is dark already. The days are getting super shorter these days, so let's do the garden pruning in another video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.